Now this Baker is now protected against accident and sickness 24 hours a day, so not just at work. Derek here, back with another financial Fundie. We are staying this week on the topic of disability insurance. So what I want to talk about this week is just cut the crap. What is the price of this stuff? I keep giving information on what it does and why you need it, but maybe people are like, well, what is it going to cost me? So Nolan, can you work with me? We're going to do an illustration right now to figure out what disability insurance costs. So I gave Nolan a list of jobs here. Nolan, have a look at those professions. Pick one for me, and we're gonna do a quick calculation on what disability insurance is gonna cost for this person.
All right, so my choice is a bakery baker.
A baker, nice.
A baker, yeah.
Okay, baker. What does it say their risk classification is? And all I'm meaning by this, you guys, is that obviously each profession has higher or lower risk, and therefore the premium is based on that. So they're categorized into either double A, A, B, C. No, I don't think there's any C. Anyway, that's not important. Okay, so let's put the baker in. We've got a 30-year-old baker. What is their risk classification?
Their risk classification is A.
Okay, so we have, we have 4 A's, 3 A's, 2 A's, A and B. 4A being the best, B being the highest risk. Okay, they are an A, our baker. Okay, so what does our baker make, Nolan?
$45,000 a year.
45, okay, let's put that in. So they can be insured for up to 2/3 of their income, or 66%. So their insurability is gonna be $2,700 a month. So we're gonna insure this baker for $2,700 a month. We're gonna give them a waiting period of 60 days. We don't want them to wait too long. We don't want them to wait 3 months for this money. So let's figure out what this is going to cost them. Okay, our baker. Here is the nuts and bolts. I know you can't see this on the screen, but this is how I figure out this calculation. Our baker is going to pay $103 to insure 2/3 of their income if they become totally disabled. Now, I also put in this calculation that they get paid to 65. So 65, we talked about this before, I've talked about this a few times, the golden goose, the amount of income that you could generate between now and the time that you retire or the time that you die. $100 to protect arguably somewhere in the neighborhood of $1.5 million, $2 million worth of income. Seems like a reasonable premium. So I just wanted to do a quick calculation to show you guys what the cost is. Now this baker is now protected against accident and sickness 24 hours a day, so not just at work. $103 roughly. So that is disability calculation in a nutshell. Obviously, every job is different. The premium gets changed on waiting period, on benefit period, but that for you this week is your financial Fundie.